Okay, so there's Griffin. He's going to tell us if this video is good or not. I'm off. There's Bob, the stuntman. There's Casey. He's just going to be scootering along. And Bob's going to be asleep. And this is Tucker. He's the awesome cameraman. Okay, here we go. Casey.
I'm so good at scootering. Hi. I'm so good at scootering. Hi.
Apparently he thinks he's so good at scootering.
Yeah, I am. Oh, yeah.
He is pretty good.
Whoa!
Oh, no.
Oh, Bob, you're my best friend. Are you okay? Yay, thank you. I'm gonna you're okay. Say hi to the world. Are you okay?
My arm.
Your arm hurts? Oh, ew, it's green blood.
Okay, bye.
Are you okay?
Okay, bye, everyone.
We'll be back soon. Once again, this is Bob. Bye.
That was Mr. Bob hit me in the face. Okay, bye. Well, there